How to export iPhone contacts to Gmail. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open the phone application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, simply tap on contacts at the bottom of the page. And once you are here, simply tap on the list option from your left hand side. And once you are here, simply long press all iPhone and then tap on export. From here, tap on done. And now, once you do that, scroll below and then tap on save to files. Now go ahead and tap on save. And once you do that, head back to your home screen, and then the next step would be to open up your browser. And once you open it, in the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for contacts.google.com. And once you search for it, you want to make sure that you're logged into your Google account. Now once you're logged in, you'll find this kind of interface. From here, you want to go ahead and tap on Import Contacts. And now tap on Select Files. Now from here, simply tap on the contacts that you have just saved in your mobile device. And just like so, tap on Import. And as you can see that all of my contacts in my iPhone has been exported to Gmail. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.